Hi, I just wanted to share my experience of taking nitric oxide organic beets. So I'm 45 years old. I try to do the best I can with fitness. I try to run a few times a week, get into the gym a few times a week as well. But you know, as you get older, you start to get tired and you don't have that get up and go like you used to when we were 20. I found this about 3, maybe 4 months ago, and I'm on my 4th container. And I can tell you, I take it at midday, and it really does a great job of getting my blood circulation. I've done a lot of research, and I like nitric oxide. I believe in what it does. However, trying to find something that tastes good, that's not built for power lifters and all the other stuff, I need something organic, no sugar added, non-GMO, because I'm just big on that. So I found this, and I'm going to tell you, it really has changed how I feel. It's a great product. I've never had any issues with it, and I just wanted to share that with you, and I'm having great luck with it, and I look to keep ordering.
Hey there, this is a review for Snap Supplements Super Greens. Before I start, I just want to say that I don't work for the company. I don't work for a gym, I'm not a personal trainer, and I don't work for, I'm not a nutritionist or anything like that. So I'm not counting calories or necessarily on any special diet. But I do have quite a hard time eating vegetables. I love my fruits, but I absolutely have a very hard time eating vegetables, especially green vegetables. So when this came in my last wellness bundle, I was quite excited to try it. It smells and it tastes just like the green apple Jolly Ranchers candy, which is quite strange. But my favorite thing about it is that I can just add it to water. Most of the other Snap Supplements products that I've tried, you can just add to water and it tastes perfectly fine. Like, I don't have to mix it with a smoothie or anything like that, which just creates more hassle in my eyes. But I can add it with just water and drink it very comfortably. It tastes good. I'm getting my greens in for the day. And that's probably my favorite thing about this product. It does support healthy hair, healthy skin, gut digestion, kind of thing like that. I tend to use it right when I wake up in the morning, kind of give me the good clean feel for the rest of the day, or like right after my workout to help also stay clean and kind of feeling. But I also don't want to suddenly eat a bunch of heavy foods that will make me feel gross and immediately completely make my workout look like useless. But this product is great. Everything in it is natural. You're not putting anything in your body that's bad for you. It tastes great, smells great, it does good things for you, so highly recommend it.